Hello everyone, I am Hijr Gabani. This project is on convert the image into cartoonify image. The first step is in every program is importing all the necessary modules into our file. For this program, we will be importing three modules: opencv, numpy, and matplotlib. OpenCV is OpenCV is a Python library that allows you to perform processing and computer vision tasks. NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays, and Matplotlib is a cross-platform of data visualization and graphical plotting library for Python and its numerical extension numpy. The next step is to read the image using the imread function, and then convert it to RGB format with the help of the CVT function. Then we plot the image using the imshow function. The cvt.imshow method is used to display an image on a window. So this part is about loading the image and plotting the original image. The next step in the process is to convert the image into a grayscale format using the cvt color function. The reason behind doing so it that is simplifies the process and helps in the time complexity of the program later on. This is the part of converting image to grayscale image, and the final step is to apply the convolutional filter using the bilateral filter function. Then we make use of the bitwise operator and pass the original image and the edge image to turn images into a cartoon. Here we can use different values to get different output. Now we will run this program. So this is the original image, here is grayscale image, here is edge image, and here is a cartoon image. So top of the screen here is many option, so you can choose this option and also move this image anywhere. Using this option you can zoom image, and also you can download this image. And GitHub GitHub link is provided. GitHub link is provided of this source code is given the below description box. And last, I would like to say, always be a learner. Thank you.